Hey guys, and welcome back to another video with Kervin. Today we're gonna do a song by William McDowell, named "I Give Myself Away." Now we're doing this song in the key of E, a very simple key. Alright, the chords we're gonna use for the song, we're using E, B, C sharp minor, and A. Now in the left hand, the E major will be a E, right? G sharp, and the B. That's the E minor. That's the E major. Sorry. B. That's B, D sharp, and F sharp. C sharp minor will be C sharp, E natural, and G sharp. Very last chord is A. Right, so we have A, C sharp, and E. Now we have very simple chord progression, moving from 1 to 5 to 6 to 4. Through the whole song, 1, 5, 6, 4. Right? In a little part, you'll be going from 1, 5, 6, 5, 4. Right? So, let's take the first part of the song. I give myself away. Now, what I do is that I start right on the 4, right? So I give myself away, right? Brings us right to the 1 chord, right? So I start here. So let's take the first verse of the song. So I give myself away. Oh, I give myself away so you can use me. Very simple. Now, that part we just saw went from the C sharp minor to the B major. Right? So after, so I give myself away. Oh, I give myself away. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Simple. When I reach to play the B minor chord, sorry, not B minor, C sharp minor chord, you're playing the C sharp minor for 2, and you're going back to the B major and playing for 2 again. Now, thing to know that makes this song very easy is that throughout the entire song, the chord progression is the exact same thing. 1, 5, 6, 5, 4. Exact same thing. Exact same thing. Right? Throughout the whole song. So we reach to the chorus. Here I am, here I stand. Is the exact same chords you're using. Well, the chord progression, I should say. Right? So the chorus, right, is here I am, here I stand, Lord, my life is in your hands. Now I want to keep focus on, because you might look at this here and you might forget it. Right, so 1, 2, and 1, 2. Right, but I'll be putting up you'll see the words on the screen showing up right there. Alright, so let's take the chorus of the song. And here I stand, Lord, my life is in your hands, and all I want is to see your desires revealed in me. Right? And then it starts right all over again. I give myself away. Oh, starts right back over to the top. I give myself away. Right, so a very easy song. Right, so let's run through from the first verse to the chorus. Very easy. I give myself away. Oh, I give myself away so you can use me. Give myself away. Oh, I give myself away so you can use me. Here I stand, Lord, my life is in your hands. All I want is to see your desire revealed in me. So I give myself away. Oh, I give myself away so you can use me. Give myself away. Oh, I give myself away so you can use me. Now there's one more part to the song, right, that gives it that finishing edge. I believe this part of the song is basically a declaration, right? And it goes like, my life is not my own, to you do I belong. I give myself to you. So again is the same exact chords, chord progression, same exact chord progression that going on for the bridge of the song. Same 1, 5, 6, 5, 4. Alright, look at it again. My life is not my own, to you do I belong. I give myself to you. One more time. My life is not my own, to you do I belong. I give myself to you. Now, my advice would be that before you come to this part of the song, right, you might be at a little point where I give myself away. Oh, give get a little high point. What I basically do is that when I'm coming to this part of the song, I kind of break down the ice and I stay down everything, right? So you can use me, right? So came down. So you just drop it and you take it nice and slow. My life is not my own. To you I belong. Right, because this is to me this is a very important part to the song. So if we should take one verse, chorus, and then jump into the bridge. It was song like I give myself away. Oh, I give myself away so you can use. I give myself away. Oh, I give myself away so you can use me. Here I am. Here I stand. Lord, my life is in your hands. All I long is to see your desire revealed in me. I give myself away. Oh, I give myself away so you can use me. I give myself away. Oh, I give myself away so you can use me. My life is not my own. To you do I belong. I give myself to you. My life is not my own. To you do I belong. I give myself to you. My life is not my own. To you do I belong. I give myself to you. What you could also do as well is that you could always drop in a few little notes just to make it say play like the keyboard actually singing the song. For instance, the two chords I'll be playing before I come to the B major chord. So I give myself away. Oh, oh, play on top too. Oh, I give myself away. Oh, just kind of sings to the song. Right, so that's it, guys. Thanks for watching another video with Kervin. Hope you all enjoy. Remember to like, subscribe, share, comment, tell a friend, tell a neighbor, your cousin. If your dog want to play some gospel and all, tell your dog. Nothing wrong with that. Hope you guys enjoy. Be safe.